Welcome this video title Elevate Your Space Bathroom Fulton Child Upper Toilet Decoration Idea. Introducing the bathroom is often overlooked when it comes to interior design, but it is a space that deserves just as much attention and create as any other room in your house. One area in particular that can benefit from a touch of style and functional it the space above the toilet. Install Fulton shelf above the toilet not only maximize vertical storage but also provide an excellent opportunity to showcase your decoration. Paul, we explored inspire bathroom, polo, shelf, upper toilet decoration idea to transforming this often neglected space into a space and original oasis. Functional simplicity. Start by embracing the maximalist trend with simple yet functional fluted shade, other for clear line and natural color to create a timeless look that shade can house until image like drum, toilet and an a few decoration photo. This key is to keep the display uncut promotion a scene of claim and order in your bathroom. Bring natural into your bathroom by incorporating gardening into your fluted shade display. Canopies, smart board, plants, and sophistication on the shade. to add a touch of fresh need and tranquility. Not only do plants enhance and aesthetic,